Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create filter in Google Sheets. Alright guys, here I have opened my Google Sheets on my laptop and I have prepared a table as well. And we're going to practice how we can create a filter for this table. And as you can see guys, that I have a large amount of data right here. So it will be so helpful if I use filter for this data. So if we want to put filter, we can select the first row like this. I'm going to add filter for this first row, and after that we just need to click on this filter icon, then click on it, then the filter will be created on our row. So this is the filter guys. If we want to use the filter, we just need to tap on the filter, then we can select the data right here, and we can also filter by condition. You can click on filter by condition right here, and for example I'm going to filter the data that is greater than, and I'm going to put for example 17, and after that we just need to click on OK. Alright guys, and now the data has been filtered for this tree head column, and if you want to filter another column, you just need to do the same step that I have told you before. Alright guys, and that's how we can filter data on Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.